stress resilience, improved immunity, happiness, creativity, stronger relationships, and ability to handle situations. The vagus nerve remains one of the most well kept secrets of the human body. Love and empathy, a sense of connectedness, intuition, and mental and physical well being all become integral parts of life when you keep the vagus nerve nurtured and activated.
Okay, I think I'm not so well versed with Zoom. Can you all still hear something in the background, Prerak?
No, except for your voice.
Okay. Okay, I am very happy to share whatever I had. I hope you all benefited from this session, and I'm organizing a meditation, online breath and meditation workshop also. And this is with very senior doctors who are themselves doctors and Art of Living faculty as well. So I invite all of you. We are doing it from the 21st of May. I'll request Prerak to share the information and y'all can come. If y'all have any questions, y'all can ask me.
Yeah. So I would request everybody to put your questions in the chat to me, and I will be asking the questions to Dr. Trusha. Is it okay with everyone?
It's so nice to see all the experiences on the chat.
So Dr. Trusha, first question is, what is the appropriate time for meditation? What is the best time for the meditation?
Any time is a good time, but best time is in the mornings. And before your meals, you can just sit with your eyes closed for some time, you know, and meditate. Definitely not on a heavy stomach. There should be a gap of at least 45 minutes after you've had a heavy meal.
Okay.
The Bhastrika pranayam that we did today, that can be done again anytime. You know, if you are reading something, you want to study for something and you are feeling lazy, you don't need any tea or coffee. You can do Bhastrika and you will see yourself energetic. And yes, that also need not be done after a heavy meal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what is the maximum or how long should your meditation should last?
That can vary from person to person. For people who've been meditating for quite some time, you can always meditate for, you can go long. But for a person who's starting to meditate, like we did it today, 10 to 15 minutes is a good time. You know, slowly, as our mind starts settling, the restlessness is something that we may want to open our eyes soon. You know, that is what we have to get over. So it's okay even if you sit for 5 minutes to begin with, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. There are a lot of guided meditations on YouTube. आप अपने आप आंखें बंद करके कभी-कभी मुश्किल हो जाता है. Lot of guided meditations by the Art of Living Foundation on YouTube. There is even a 7-minute meditation. I started with that. So there is no time limit as such. To begin with, you can begin from any time between 7 to 15 minutes.
Okay. Ma'am, what are the conditions in which we can do meditation and what are the conditions in which we cannot do the meditation?
There is absolutely no contraindication to meditation.
Okay.
It is again another proven research. If you meditate twice daily. So many people with blood pressure problems have stopped their medicines. So it's a great tool to people with blood pressure. Meditation, there's no contraindication for meditation.
Okay. Ma'am, somebody is asking, is there any specific meditation for anxiety, for asthma, and for migraines?
Yeah. There is this, what we did today was Panchakosha meditation. You can type Panchakosha Art of Living and you will get it. I will even type it here for your reference.
Yeah.
And so to begin with, I feel this is a meditation that works for everything.
Okay.
And about Sudarshan Kriya that I mentioned, that definitely helps migraines to a great extent. Asthma, I'm sitting in front of you. But yes, Panchakosha meditation will work on any of these mentioned. Panchakosha meditation. Yes. What role, position, and anything with your you just have to sit with your spine erect. Your spine is the energy axis is through your spine, so not a good idea to sit with a hunch spine. You start with an erect spine. As your body relaxes, you may slouch, which is okay, but you begin with an erect posture.
Okay. Ma'am, how much time will it take so that negative thoughts, they don't come to my mind? How much time will it take me to practice that?
Don't wait for that. That can never happen. As we discussed, no, it's the nature of our own mind to have thoughts. The mind doesn't classify it as negative or positive. Meditation is a way to overcome these thoughts, these negative thoughts. It's an ongoing process. So your own experience will tell you that, oh, my negative thoughts have started reducing. There is no measurable time limit. Itna karoge. See, right now, so many of you all had mentioned peaceful, positive, happy. So that's it. This is what we need to do every day. That's it.
Okay.
Like we have dental hygiene, this is what is required for mental hygiene.
Okay. Ma'am, does negative thoughts have any impact on body while doing meditation?
Negative thoughts in itself have a lot of impact on the body level because it releases cortisol hormone, but because you're doing meditation, it is a medicine for negative thoughts. So it will not have any impact on your body while meditating. No.
Yeah. Ma'am, one of the kids here is asthmatic and anemic as well. Will meditating help her condition? Can it be improved?
Definitely. Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So any other questions? Anything you want to ask? Because we will be wrapping up the whole seminar. Anyone wants to ask anything?
No.
Please ask. Raise your hand first and then you can ask.
Thank you, Dr. Shraddha. I'm glad.
Any questions? Any more questions? It's not an exam. You can ask a question. Okay, I think Nupur has a question. Nupur, please.
Yes, Dr. Nupur. I can't see you. Where are you? Yeah. She's on mute.
Yes, Nupur.
No, Nupur is on mute. Still on mute.
I have unmuted her, but I don't know. Nupur, can you hear me? Nupur Sumukh.
Yeah.
Yes, Nupur, please ask your questions.
Actually, not a question. Thank you for such a great session. It will work a lot.
Nupur Kumari.
Yeah, ma'am. It's Nupur Kumari.
Okay. For feedbacks and suggestions, I'll be running after you later after this session. So if you have any questions, please you can ask, or else if you want, you can actually exit now. Not an issue with us.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. I've mentioned a research paper also.
Yeah.
I'll also ask Dr. Prerak to share it with you all.
Yes, man, I'll do it.
All the best, stay safe, be happy, and we'll stay in touch. Thank you, Dr. Prerak.
And
Thank
I
you
would
so much.
personally
Thank
like
you so
to
much, ma'am.
thank you, Dr. Trusha,
Bye.
for giving us your precious time. And it was actually an amazing technique which we learned. I meditated for first time in my life, actually. मैं इतना शांत और इतना चुप कभी नहीं बैठा आज तक लाइफ में. But it's a good start. Let's hope I will continue this practice. And I would like to thank everyone who was part of this session. It was very nice of you that you could come here and support us. And definitely we will be coming up with many such lectures. And I'm very much sure you all will benefit out of it. So thank you all of you for your attendance. And it was very nice having all of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ji?